Hey, you guys, it's Mirsky back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you smack the bell so you can get notified when I post a video. Subscribe, like this, and share this on to somebody else. Comment below anything that you like, I guess, or what you learned, and let's just get into this. So you guys, if you don't already know, I talk about the law of attraction, subconscious mind, and creating your future and your reality in my videos. Of course, in my videos. But okay, so in this video, you guys, we're basically going to be talking about mastering the art of manifesting. With the manifesting, how do you master it? Well, first of all, it takes repetition. So with mastering anything, you have to do it with a consistency. So if I'm trying to build a skill or a muscle, I have to consistently work on it. Just like exercise. If I'm trying to build my body, I gotta work out. Simple as that. So if I'm mastering manifesting, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on a consistent daily basis on the things that I want to create in my reality. I know you'll probably see this lip gloss doing whatever the fuck I want to do. But so if I'm mastering this, I am deliberately making myself a co-creator of the universe, of my universe, of the universe that is around me. So how do I master it? Because I can only speak of from my own perspective. Find what was meant for me. So what's meant for me is scripting, using my subconscious mind. I do a lot of work within my internal reality, you know, balancing on my chakras, really grounding myself in a state of being where I already have the faith and the knowledge that what I want can effortlessly manifest within my reality. So I'm an effortless manifester all the time, and I say this shit to myself. I'm a master manifester. I master manifester mirror out this bitch. So you feel me? Like, it's just that you really have to believe in yourself, and you really have to know that you're always creating your reality. You are always doing this, but do it on a conscious level. When you become conscious and aware of the fact that you are creating your reality and creating your future on all realms, in all dimensions, in all realities, and you become aware of the parallels and everything that is around you, because it's all about the energy, then you become an effortless manifester. And tapping into your third eye, you guys, because I'm really sinking in with my third eye as I'm doing this video. You know, it helps attract in those things that are, and it helps you connect. Bitch, what the fuck? It helps you to connect and attract in what it is that you want. So if you can see it and if you can visualize it, that is a big step into manifesting, because visualization is actually really huge within manifesting. Because if you see it, then you already know that it's there. Just like how you cannot create something without already having the vision. Once you have that vision, you're able to then apply it into the physical reality. You're able to then bring it into this physical realm. Everything is being brought into this physical realm that you say, you know? So if I'm saying that I am a great individual, if I'm saying that everything that I bring in my reality is great and is phenomenal, you know, everything that comes into my reality is meant for my highest and greatest good, then it has no other choice but then to be that, because that's what I set for myself. And it's all at your command. What it is that you're setting for yourself is literally what you will be manifesting. Literally what you'll be creating in your reality. It's just as simple as that. Your thoughts create. And it might be hard for some people to really understand that, but that is the reality of it. Your thoughts create. And it doesn't matter what it is that, or how you go about manifesting, you're always manifesting. You're always driving something into your physical realm. So just like how before I did this YouTube video, I was like, it's gonna be a great video. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna have a quality video where it's no noise, all of that. You know what I mean? So as simple as I'm setting that shit for myself, it has no other choice but than to be that. Because I already have that within, and I have to stay focused in that energetic center, in alignment with that. Because if I'm staying focused in that, whatever your attention goes to, it flows in that direction. And that's the reality that you'll be creating. So if I'm setting my compass to this level, if I'm setting my direction and my energy to flow to this level, then it's going to have no other choice but than to flow there. This shit is all energy. Simple as that. And it's just that. It's literally just that. You're really creating. And it's just that simple, you guys. Like, honestly, you really don't even have to stress what manifesting is or what the law of attraction is. It's just as simple as you becoming a deliberate creator of your reality and consciously doing that. So yeah, like, I feel like that was enough information for you guys. And yeah, is it? Because I'm gonna be quite honest with y'all. If you know me, I don't script for my videos. I just go with the flow of it. I always find myself just channeling in the information on whatever it is that I'm doing. You know, I allow myself to go with the flow of it. I don't force myself. I don't overexert my energy. I just go with the flow and I trust it. And that's a big part in manifesting. When you trust. See, I knew that wasn't it. When you trust, and this is just real, you guys. I'm unedited. Motherfucker, I'm gonna just leave this to be what it is. Not fully, but you feel me? It's just like, I trust myself. I trust the divine. I trust and I have faith that what it is that I want is here. It's meant for me. And I'm in the flow with trusting myself and trusting and allowing and surrendering. Because when you trust, you surrender and you just be. Another thing about manifesting is just being. Just be. And you'll notice that everything around you is just what it is. Just what it is. It's always effortless. Always. So you guys, if you like this YouTube video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. I love y'all so much. I really do love and appreciate everybody that supports me. It is so many of you guys that really genuinely support me on my YouTube channel. And I have been, you guys, I'm literally been working so hard to get back into doing YouTube videos, but my energy is, I'm working on it. I really am, but I feel like every time I come back with a video, it's just new and refreshed and something different. And I know you guys really appreciate whenever I come back with a video, and I appreciate y'all love and support. So I will see you guys in the next video. And if you would like to buy any crystal jewelry or book any sessions with me, make sure that you check the description box below for all of that information, because it will be down there. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.